from the state government side and from the people of Manipur, we really appreciate the Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji for bringing such a big change in the criminal laws and other laws in India after 164 years. And I believe in Manipur also, here some good particulars points is that there is against the mob lynching, which is very important, and it is widely applicable in the state of Manipur because this kind of mob lynching habit are taking place in many part of the country and in our state also. तो ये मॉब लिंचिंग का जो एक है, इसी ने अपने मणिपुर में काफ़ी सुधार लाने का वी आर बिलीविंग. और बाकी एक जो है इसमें ज़ीरो एफआईआर करने का जो मौका दिया है हर एक विक्टिम को. एवरीवन हैज़ बीन गिवन टू कंप्लेन टू फाइल एन एफआईआर, ज़ीरो एफआईआर एट एनी प्लेस. तो पहले तो क्या था, दूसरा जगह में जाके कोई इन्फ्लुएंस से कोई किसी बहाना से एफआईआर नहीं करने देता है. तो अभी तो एवरी विक्टिम कैन फाइल एफआईआर एट एनी अवेलेबल नियरेस्ट पुलिस स्टेशन. ये सब मतलब विक्टिम लोग को इट इज़ गिविंग द प्रायोरिटी एट एन एडवांटेज. और दूसरा में इसमें खास ये पुलिस को टाइमिंग दे रहा है. पहले में पुलिस कस्टडी में मैक्सिमम वाज ओनली 15 days, लेकिन इसमें इट हैज़ बीन एक्सटेंडेड अप टू दी 30-60 days. मीन्स पुलिस कैन इन्वेस्टिगेट वेल बिफोर सबमिशन टू द कोर्ट. तो पुलिस को इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए बहुत टाइम दिया है. इसमें से जस्टिस को परफेक्टली डिलीवर करने का चांस मिला है.
Now another thing is, in last week some media outlets tried to malign your government by saying that you and your cabinet colleague are going to resign. But later on you clarified that no such thing are happening. So please clarify.
No, you see, in such a crucial time, Manipur is passing through a troubled time. In such a crucial and a troubled time, we as a leader should not shake our mind and our confidence. We are having full confidence, self-confidence, and we have to guide the people on the right path. If we left from the power, who will lead them? Manipur will make more chaos. So I earnestly appealing to all the media person and those who are using the social media, don't publish any unconfirmed news information of such type, because when somebody said that government is going to step down, then people started panicking. Some people might enjoy it, but 90% of the population feel panicky. So I think we should not spread such kind of information.
What about the wrong narratives made by the national media so-called whenever they come to Manipur?
That is very unfortunate. National media people, at least I'm telling through your medium, please calm down, meet me, and not only me, go to the fields, interact with the people. After that, please do publish. Otherwise, today also some what called wire and something is publishing negative information, publishing negative, So that is not good. I appeal to all of you, mainly the national media, please come here in Manipur and help in bringing peace in the state of Manipur, in spite of provoking and spreading false information.